Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. This tutorial we are going to construct a regular polygon of the following size, giving a side AB to be 42 millimeters, and we are going to use the approximate method. We have to construct a 5-sided polygon, a 7-sided polygon, and a 6-sided polygon. We are going to do all together. It's the same approach. Alright, so let's begin. We're going to start by drawing the length of one side, AB, which is 42 millimeters. I'm going to measure 42 millimeters. I think. Yes, that's my 42 millimeters. Let me increase the thickness a bit. Yeah, this is better. We are using the approximate method. So you place your 45 degrees set square. Let me name them A and B. This is your 45 degrees set square. I draw a thin line. Always too thin. Next, you take your 30, 60 set square and you draw a thin line through at point B. Next, you are going to bisect line AB. So you stand at B, open to more than half. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Next, stand at A, open to more than half. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Then you join their center point. Now, let's take note of something. Where the 45 degrees line intersects with this perpendicular bisector, we are going to name that point 4. And where the 30, 60 set square intersects with the perpendicular bisector, we'll name that 6. Now, in order to get to 5, we'll have to bisect the line between 6 and 4. Let's do that right now. So you step at 4, open to more than half. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Step at 6. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Now let's join them. So now, where it intersects with the line, you're going to name it 5. Now this is going to serve as the basics for our polygon. So if you want to draw a square which is 4-sided, you use 0.4 as your reference. For a pentagon which is 5-sided, use 0.5 as your reference. Same thing goes for hexagon. Now in order to get a heptagon, that's a 5-sided figure, you stand at 4, open to 5, stand at 6, and inscribe an arc. You can continue inscribing arcs. So this becomes your 0.7, here 8, here 9. Then you can continue on and on. So now in order to draw a 5-sided figure, stand at 5, open to A, and inscribe a circle. We'll pass through both A and B, the circle. When you're done, get the distance or pick the distance AB. step here once, come to the other side and step there again. So now we have many sides. We have 1, 2, 3. That is 4 and 5, which will definitely meet at the top. The reason why we don't go in one direction is in order to distribute the error. This is an approximate method. This is not the exact method, so there will be some errors. So that's why we step one side at a time. So you join them. Then it goes to the top. Another one to go to the top. And we have a pentagon. Now in order to draw a hexagon, we step at 6. Sorry, this was a hexagon rather. No, this was a pentagon. This was a pentagon, sorry. So now to draw a hexagon, stand at 6. You open to A and draw a circle. Or pass through both A and B. Next, pick the length of AB. Then you scribe an arc at one side. Inscribe an arc at the other side. So you have 3 sides now. You're left with 3 more. So where intersect, stand there, inscribe an arc. Where intersects, inscribe an arc. And we have our 6 parts. So let's join them with a straight rule or with a straight edge, depending on what you have. And that's our hexagon. So for the heptagon, you stand at 7, open to A, draw a circle, pick length of AB and mark and join the points, and you have your heptagon. Remember that this is the approximate method, not the exact method. Thank you.